Okay, boys, now it's time to have conversation. And today, I am going to invite to that personality who is simple, awesome, wowsome, and wholesome in himself. His name is one and only, and none other than Mr. Rudramani Tripathi. So, Rudra is going to talk about his daily routine today. So, let's see how he performs on his daily routine. So, come up.
Thank you, sir, for calling me on the podium. I am feeling extremely privileged and super duper thrilled to be have great presenting. So first of all, very big hello to everyone. Hello. Hello. Good morning to everyone. Good morning. Good morning. As you know, I am Rudramani Tripathi from the village. Today I will tell you about my daily routine. So let's get started. First of all, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Then I go to brush my teeth. Then I go to tuition. After coming from tuition, I take bath, dry and comb my hair. Then I pack my bag and get ready for school. I go to school at 10:30 a.m. and come back from school at 2:30 p.m. After coming from tuition, I take rest for 10 minutes, take my lunch and watch TV. After watching TV, I complete my tuition homework. Then I go to play for 1 hour. Then I go to my English tuition. After then, I come to tuition, I take rest and watch TV for 10 minutes. Then I help my mother do some household works. After then, I watch TV and I have dinner and go to sleep to bed.
Okay, guys, ask the questions.
Do you wake up at morning?
Yes, I wake up at morning.
Why you wake up at morning?
Because in class 7th, I have to wake up at early at the morning.
Do you exercise daily?
No, I didn't get time to exercise daily.
But it is necessary to exercise for you because
You are not fit. But in my age, I play for 1 or 2 hours. That is only my exercise.
yeah, that's also success for you.
What is the benefits of wake up in morning?
There are many benefits to wake up in morning. That if we can wake up early in the morning, we can study what today we will taught in school, what we can today taught in tuition. So this is the benefit to wake up early in the morning.
Do you take your breakfast?
Yes, sir, after coming from tuition, I take my breakfast.
What type of breakfast you prefer in your
Like some bread and tea
only bread and tea?
and foodies.
Okay.
Do you do household works?
Yes, my mother told which works I have to do, I do the works.
All types of household work.
No, I can't do all type of household works. I can only make tea and wash my dishes.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
After coming back from school, what type of work do you do first?
First I take rest for 10 minutes, then after I watch TV and then after I complete my tuition homework.
Okay. Do you go to market?
Yes, I go to market.
Why do you go to market?
I go to market for buying some fast food.
Which type of fast food do you buy from market?
Like chips and wafers.
Okay. So thank you Rudra, for clearing my questions. So thank you.
Thank you for being a great listener and being a teacher in the presentation. Thank you.